Well, hello. Here I am, sending you greetings from inside my ramshackle chicken chapel. Last year, I created the gift book for you as a Christmas tutorial. Although, of course, it could be used at any time of the year, depending on the content you add. This year, I'm sharing a way to make a series of little Christmas trees that are very versatile. Let's take a look. The Christmas tree tutorial is a versatile design that can be used to make Christmas cards and also decorations in both 2D and 3D. We will be making multiple of these cute little trees in one go and then cutting them out into single trees before individually decorating them with lots of sparkly treasures. I started by collecting lots of oddments of various fabrics in greens as well as a few other colours, including a nice gold spotty fabric. I ripped them into long thin strips between about 1 and 2 centimetres wide. I selected a heavier weight piece of fabric for my base. I ironed some interfacing onto the back to give it stability and also to enable me to draw onto it. I measured my fabric and worked out how big I wanted my trees to be. In my case, it was about 4 inches, 10 centimetres. I drew in the long lines first with a ballpoint pen and then divided it into triangles. Cut along your long lines, but do not cut out your triangles yet. You can cut off the half triangles at the ends of your lines though. I used my sewing machine to stitch the strips in place, but you could do it by hand if you prefer. I tried 2 different ways. Here I'm layering each strip over the edge of the previous one. I also tried stitching in the centre of each strip so both raw edges were showing. If you're not keen on the edges, you could use pinking shears to cut your strips. That would look great too. So, keep on adding the torn strips until your piece of fabric is packed full. If you run short during a line, then just add in a new strip and carry on stitching to the end, as you can see below. When all your bases are packed full of strips, turn them over and start cutting the triangles out. Don't worry about threads coming unravelled, they will be held in place during the decorating part. This is how they'll look once they're cut out. Now it's time to decorate each tree individually. I use the grandchildren's sequins and beads, and even some broken pieces of jewellery. Just add what you've got. You can attach a single tree to a piece of folded card to make a Christmas card for somebody special. They could then remove it from their card and hang it up on their tree for years to come. You could take this a stage further and add a loop at the top of your tree and some felt to the back where you could stitch a personal message. The receiver can then remove the tree from their card and hang it up as a keepsake decoration. The 2 sides of the tag trees, I used felt to back them, but you can use any fabric that you've got. Another option is to stitch 2 trees together back to back to make double-sided trees. They would work well as a garland type decoration. This video is taken in the ramshackle chicken chapel. The structure is a shelter built by 3 generations of my family, using reclaimed wood from our old decking and some discarded pallets. As you may have noticed, the chickens are not real. Or you could stitch 3 together and put it on a stick to make a 3D tree. I used some long bobbins, which worked really well for this, but a sturdy twig would work well too. I love this photo of the trees in front of the round window inside the ramshackle chicken chapel. Look at how the dimpled glass distorts the view behind it. So, have fun playing with this idea. Please like and share this tutorial so others can enjoy it too. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will know whenever I post more tutorials and other inspiring ideas. So, thanks for being here. With love, from Paula.